Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Animal Company News, the only place you can find actually helpful news. Here today, we have a jumper on Banana Avenue Street, threatening to jump. Our live reporter is here on the scene.
There he is. He's popping out. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. No one loves me. I know it's gonna care for me after I die.
Wait, that is true. Well, your mom said... Who's your mom? Your mom said she'll buy you... how about... $50 worth of Robux. How's that sound? Oh, really? Better not be lying. Alright. Yeah, let me come down, Ooh. Ooh! Oh. Well, I tried. Wow. Truly a heartwarming story. Great to see that you guys found to change his mind. There appears to be a mugging outside of our station. Looks like our security cameras have footage on that.
Hey, bud, give me on your money.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Ooh. I said it once and I won't say it again. Get it done. Do what you need to do. The camera's still running? Well, that's this week's edition of Animal Company News. We'll see you guys in the next video. You better be there. I'll be waiting for you. Have a good day.